Hi, if you could open up 13-1 again, I just wanted to show you some different options and features that is not covered in the book. So we did talk about design, and if you click to the design tab, the one that's selected is actually called Ion. And it's, when you hover over it, it shows you the name. You could have changed it to show up different variants of that same particular design. If you were to click any of the other design styles, again, you could select it. This one that I just clicked was Parallax. Again, you can change the colors. I like the Savan, and one of my other favorites is the Feathered, because you also have circles and flowers, and again, you can change the colors if you liked. There's also a down arrow to choose to other colors that are not available. You could select from here. But when you do select one of the themes, it changes all of the slides to match that theme. So what I'd like to do is show you something different. If you were to click the down arrow for more and choose the office theme, the office theme is just plain background. And on the very first slide, go to design, and instead of picking a particular style for all of it, what I'd like you to do is right click and choose apply to selected slide, so it only does it to that particular slide. Now select slide 2, go back up to the more feature for theme, and again choose right click and apply to selected slide. So you get the idea that you can have a different theme for each slide. It doesn't have to be the whole presentation. So now I'd like to show you something else. In slide 3, instead of with the design themes, go to format background, and then we'll select solid fill, and then you can select any color you'd like to have as a background. Let's try slide 4. Try gradient fill. Now what's nice about gradient fill is you have what's called gradient stops, and as you move these little check marks, you can change the color of each. And just to show you how you move the marker and then change the color of them, again, the more markers you have, the more colorful it can be. I'll go with green this time. And if you don't want a marker, you can just delete it. If you want more, you can add it in. And then again, you can move them so you get more of one color, less of another. And then you have what's called direction. So you can have the colors come in a different direction. Or this linear is a line. You could choose radial, where it's more of a circle. I like the path style, but you could pick whatever you'd like. So that was all in gradient. Let's move on to slide 5. On slide 5, we'll try picture or texture, and then go into the texture button, and you could select anything that you'd like for your background. Now slide 6, choose pattern fill, and there's different styles of patterns that you can choose, and you can also choose the colors, the foreground and the background. So they're different colors, and if you don't like the style, you can change it up again and try something that you like. Last slide, slide 7. So we just about tried everything. We're going to go back to picture and actually go online picture. And I'm going to type in a park. Someone's walking in the park. And insert. So the entire background is a park. Now if you see the picture that I have here, it has a white background, and if you wanted to get rid of that, and we'll do the same thing on the red carpet up here on slide 4. So to do that, choose Picture Tools Format button, choose color, and there's actually something called Set Transparent Color. Click that. It changes the marker, the arrow to a marker. Just click behind it and it gets rid of the shadow. So if we go to slide 4 and do the same thing to select the red carpet, choose color, set transparent, and then just click behind it so they get rid of the background. And you can move the picture if you'd like. And if you're ready for a slideshow, we'll go back to slide 1, and you can use the button up on the quick access toolbar, and you get a little preview of each slide, having each background is completely different. I hope you enjoyed my version of background. Thank you.